What's up, my dudes? In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a very basic sigil. Now this is going to be a sigil for love and joy, so if you want to attract either one of those, this is a good sigil for you. You could either use a yellow one for the joy or a pink one for the love. I'm going to be using a silver just because this is a little bit of a combination of both, and also it'll just look better for recording. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the I statement. I like to start with I regardless of who it's for, because whoever is writing the sigil, that will be the one that is casting it. And then I'm going to use a verb for what I really want to do in this situation. So in this case we're going to use attract, because you want to attract this, you want to not just bring this to you for a one-time basis or a multiple time basis, you want to just constantly attract this to you, so we're going to use attract. And then for the two emotions, we're actually going to have this on two separate lines, but we're going to be using two different effects for the sigil. If you would like to, you can just add one effect, so one word, or you can add two or a whole phrase if you'd like. Statement, we're going to start by taking out all the vowels, and then all the repeating letters, and this is what we're left with. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the sigil based on these letters. Sigil, if you would like to use this for attracting any sort of joy or love to you, you would just write this sigil onto something, and you could either burn this petition, or you can have another sigil up top that's more relevant to you specifically.